Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on like a holiday makeup look. I'm just going to a little mini concert today, so yeah, I'm just going to get ready for that. And it's not really, it's more like a formal concert, so yeah, or else I wouldn't be wearing this thick sweater. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this NYX stick, and I'm going to use the concealer side, and I'm going to conceal my eyelids and clean up my brows a little bit because I already did my brows. So yeah, I just want to use this as a base, you know. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette, and I'm sorry if this lighting is too dark because I think this lighting sucks also. Hopefully I can fix it in my video. I mean on my editing thing. So I'm just going to be taking, I don't need you anymore. Just going to be taking this shade right here and going to be setting my lids with that. And just setting my whole lid with it. Alright. So, okay. So I'm going to be using this medium blending brush, and I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. It's like a mauve light shade, and I'm going to just apply that on to my crease. So try to keep that directly on your crease, not on your lid. But if you get it on your lid, it's fine because it's a light color. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just using this because I want a light shade to help me blend the other darker shades that I'm going to be using today. And if you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's just Carmex. My lips are so crusty, so, and they're burning, so yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the difference between these two brushes. So I always use brushes that are like too big for my eyelids. Like, they're not too big for my eyelids, but they don't give me enough space for all these other, sorry I had to see the time, for all the creative looks that I want to do. So as you can see, this one right here is a lot smaller than this one. This is the one that I'm actually supposed to be using for my eyelids because they are small. So yeah, if you really want your blending to look really, really good, make sure you're using the correct blender for your eyelid, like for how big your eyelid is. Like if you have a lot of room to blend, like if you have like a big eyelid space, then I would go for one that's a little bit bigger than this one right here. So yeah, so make sure you invest in a mini one if you notice that your eyelids are actually too small for this big one. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you. It's gonna look really precise, and it's gonna look blended, and it's not gonna look harsh. Yeah, and it's not gonna look muddy either. So I'm gonna be taking this purple shade right there, and that's gonna go directly on my crease. And it's blending perfectly, like seriously so fucking nice. So a lot of people think that it's a makeup that makes your makeup look like shit, when really most of the time it's actually the brushes as well, not just the palette. So yeah, I'm just showing you. So if you have small eyelids, like really hooded, small, like hooded eyes, don't go in with a big blending brush because it's gonna end up going all the way to your freaking brow, and that's what I noticed about mine. And I don't even have hooded eyes either, and it still goes up here. So alright, so now I'm going to be taking this darker purple right here. It's dark purple, and I'm gonna place that only on my outer corner, directly on my outer corner. And I'm going to pack it and then I'm going to blend it. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going back in with the bigger crease brush, and I'm going to be blending it. Just blending the top, you know, so it's blended. And I'm going to be blending my lid right here. I'm going to be taking this little skinny one and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone with this shade right here, with this one right here. Then I'm going to just use my finger and like blend it a little bit. Let's help it blend it a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and mixing it with this white shade right here, and yeah, it's gonna look so freaking pretty. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to blend a little bit again above. I used the bigger brush. And I'm actually going to spray my brush. I'm gonna wet it. Alright, so going back to the blending brush and blend. Alright, so for face primer, I'm using the Master Prime Studio. I hate doing my brows first because it always messes up my foundation. I mean, my foundation always messes up my brows. For foundation, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define. Look, it's getting dark. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. The lighting is garbage, huh? Sorry, the lighting sucks because it's dark outside. Not even dark, but it's just like not really like... For the concealer, I'm using that Revolution and Conceal. For contour, I'm using my NYX one. Do I look handsome? Or pretty beautiful, whatever. Then I'm going to be, for powder, I'm going to be using the Luxe Pro Powder by JCat Beauty, and in the shade Banana. just gonna set one face at a time, or one side at a time, because I don't know. I bronze my face with this butter bronzer. For blush, I'm using my Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine, guys. Mascara, I'm just going to be using this Avon one, and it's in black. And I'm going to make my lashes go this way, out that way, so it looks more cat-eyed. For black eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Ulta one in the color, I think, Black Night, or Blackout, sorry. And I'm not going to set my eyeliner because I really don't want to. And yeah. And I'm also going to put black on my, or put eyeliner, or put mascara, sorry, on my bottom lashes. Just on the outer part. Then for highlighter, I'm going to be applying the pink and the gold shade on my cheeks. I'm going to be applying the pink one on my nose and going down the bridge. Then I'm going to be applying the gold one on my lip. Oh my god, so beautiful.